we want them to be a doctor and engineer. We don't want to make them.
But if the parents are saying that,
Right now, they are listening to what the coaches are saying and what the children, but they are they are just seeing what we want to be. They are just telling their own. They are just listening. They are not like.
And they are attentive in lesson, but they are not performing.
Not even studying.
एकदम नीचे बैठा ऊपर दबा
exercise, so Abdullah, do this exercise. If you people learn anything or not. The entire purpose of this exercise was that you people learn something. So what was it that you people learned? I want from each group, when you were doing this particular exercise, was there something which you could learn? Group work. I want others to listen when the other groups are talking. Otherwise, no one will listen to you also. Please.
We can't achieve what we want to achieve. And if suppose anyone wants to go high level in engineering or anything, but if we ignore his teacher, his parents, we can't help him. I'm
Okay,
saying.
I want to ask Sri to explain the part of the teacher. Okay. When you are playing the part of the teacher, and these people were not listening. Okay. Did you go through any process that you feel anything when you are playing a part? Yeah, the purpose was that the person who was playing the role should actually feel what is going on. That's what I wanted to know. Okay, then pretend this thing. Dhruv was playing the part as listen please. Dhruv, you were playing the part of the ACP. You had something important to tell Dushman, and Dushman was pretending to listen to you. Has it happened with you in real life when you're telling something important and people pretend and then things really go away?
Am I wrong?
One moment and asking who.
हम कल ही ऐसे हुए yesterday.
Give me one moment, I will read the
Let me check on yesterday.
speak you want to speak in English you can speak in English you can speak in Hindi
And what happened that in bus, I took the bottle of Abdullah. Then he stopped him and he get down on the bus. When he was walking, then I threw his bottle outside and then he did not know that my bottle, he thought that one bottle was lying in our bus. He thought that it is that bottle and he did not see. And from our bus, we all friends, we did acting that see your bottle is down. He said he is doing bye. He is not sitting down. He is saying you are speaking like. Then his bottle was lost. When we told your पानी की bottle down, he said.
Pretending to listen.
everyone from the bus they should like this
And everyone is saying ऐसे फिर ऐसे पानी की bottle. Then also he said.
and Dushman, where are you?
नीचे ले ऋत्विक
You pretended to listen when he was telling you something important. You pretended to listen.
was playing with my pen, and I told him not to play, but he also pretended. And then he broke my pen, and at that time I was studying, so he told me that pen टूट गई, pen टूट गई. I told him that ऐसा कुछ ना, मेरी पेन भी बहुत strong है. and then he went away, and then in the morning I was starting to search my pen and I couldn't get it. And then I saw on the table that there was all ink, and then I saw that the pen was really good.
Okay, now coming to selective listening. Selective listening. One thing I want to say about these people, I think they were able to put their point across really very well. They really did a very good job. Everyone did a nice job, but I think they were the best. I don't know whether you people are saying so, but I think they were the best. Because all they were able to put their point across very well. And I think it was a good idea that two people were narrating in the right way this time. It was more effective.
Oi, Abdullah.
Confusion regarding there was no confusion. We was doing very well. The narrators were doing that. All of them, there was total synergy in that. Very good. Very good. Okay, Abhi.
Shreya.
You said that something really very wrong because of selective listening. And if we do that in real life, what will be the consequence?
And the consequence will be really very bad. Means the consequence will be like unexpected things will happen. The wrong blame would be given to the wrong person, and then nobody in this world, nobody is like accepting their fault, so that even that point will come, and everything will be messed up, and so nobody could judge anyone. It's like it would be not proper and happen in that.
How many of us do selective listening? Sometimes even I.
Sometimes.
Even I do selective.
Ma'am, even I. Even I.
Selective listening does get us into a lot of trouble.
Yeah, right.
Everything gets puzzled up.
Total mess. We are not able to control
It becomes messy. वॉल्यूम नहीं था मतलब जिनकी कैपेसिटी में नहीं था तो मैंने मना इधर कम में था
selective listening. She thought we can do. We can be. She thought we can be.
બધા પર ફોકસ કર બધા પર કામ
She
કરો
thought, but she only heard pigment tree. She didn't listen to purple and she heard something and pretending.
જય શ્રી ફોકસ કર
Are you listening to me? You're pretending.